Law enforcement agencies worldwide are operating within a rapidly transforming social and technological landscape. From shifting public expectation to the ever-evolving nature of crime, police departments are constantly challenged to adapt and innovate. This dynamic environment necessitates a close examination of the prevailing trends and significant hurdles they face in their mission to serve and to protect.
Trends. Increased use of technology. This includes body-worn cameras, AI-powered analytics, facial recognition software, and advanced data analysis. These tools aim to enhance crime prevention, investigation, and operational efficiency. Drones and robotics and also being used for surveillance and hazardous situations. Emphasis in community policing. There's a growing focus on building stronger relationships between police and the communities they serve. This involves proactive engagement, fostering trust, and addressing community concerns. Focus on officer wellness. Recognizing the high stress nature of policing, departments are increasingly prioritizing officer mental and physical health. This includes providing access to mental health resources and promoting wellness programs.
Data-driven policing. Police departments are using data analytics to identify crime patterns, allocate resources effectively, and improve decision making. Increase transparency and accountability. There's a greater demand for transparency in police operation with increased use of body cameras and civilian oversight boards. Recruitment and retention. Many departments struggle to recruit and retain qualified officers. Factors contributing to this include negative public perception, competitive salaries in other fields, and the demanding nature of the job.
Community relations. Building and maintaining trust with the diverse communities is a significant challenge. Incidents of police misconduct and racial bias can erode public trust. Cybercrime. The rise of cybercrime, including online fraud, ransomware, and cyber attacks, poses a significant challenge for law enforcement. Departments need to invest in training and technologies to address these threats. Technological adaptation. While technology offers many benefits, departments face challenges in implementing and managing new technologies effectively. This includes ensuring data privacy and addressing potential biases in AI systems.
Accountability and transparency. Balancing the need for effective policing with demands for greater accountability and transparency is a constant challenge. Involving criminal tactics. Criminals are constantly involving their tactics, and law enforcement must adapt to these changes. This includes dealing with organized crime, terrorism, and increasing hypnotification of criminal networks. Officer wellness. The high stress nature of police work leads to high rates of officer burnout and mental health issues.
Predictive analysis. Increased transnational crime. Globalization facilitates the movement of people, goods, and information, but it also enables transnational criminal organizations to operate across borders more easily. We can expect to see a rise in cybercrime. As digital connectivity expands, Cybercriminals exploit vulnerabilities across national boundaries.
Human trafficking. Globalization creates opportunities for traffickers to exploit vulnerable populations and move them across borders. Drug trafficking. Global supply chains make it easier for drug cartels to distribute illicit substances across the world. Financial crimes. Money laundering and other financial crimes will become increasingly complex as criminals exploit global financial systems.
Enhance information sharing and cooperation. To combat transnational crime, law enforcement agencies will need to enhance international cooperation and information sharing. This will involve joint operations, collaborative operations between police forces from different countries to tackle shared threats, data sharing platforms, the development of secure platforms for sharing intelligence and criminal data across borders.
Harmonization of laws. Effort to align legal frameworks and procedures across countries to facilitate cross-border investigation. Raise of global policing standard. As policing becomes more interconnected, there will be growing need for global standards and the best practices. This could include
Human rights standard. Ensuring that policing practices respect human rights and fundamental freedoms. Ethical guidelines for technology use. Developing guidelines for the ethical use of technologies such as facial recognition and predictive policing. Training and education. Promoting the exchange of knowledge is the best practices through international training programs.
AI and data analytics. Using AI to analyze large data sets and identify patterns of criminal activity. Biometrics. Employing biometric technologies for identification and border control. Surveillance technologies. Utilizing advanced surveillance technologies to monitor criminal activity. Community policing in a global context. The principles of community policing will need to be adapted to address the challenges of globalization. This will involve
Building trust with diverse communities. Engaging with diverse communities in addressing their specific concerns. Promoting social inclusion. Working to address the root causes of crime, such as poverty and inequality. Fostering international collaboration. Sharing best practices in community policing with law enforcement agencies around the world. To improve global policing practices, it is recommended that governments invest in strengthening international cooperation. This can be achieved through joint operation between law enforcement agencies, enhancing information sharing across borders, and focusing capacity building to improve capabilities of police forces worldwide. By strengthening these areas, countries can improve their collective ability to combat international crime and address security challenges more effectively. These recommendations, law enforcement agencies can work to address the challenges of globalization and ensure that policing practices are effective, ethical, and respectful of human rights.